What's up, you all people? I am back with another awesome Mafia City video, and guys, in this video we are going to talk about the right timing to upgrade to Elite 6. As you all know, Elite 6 the highest mention you can get in this game. It allow you to unlock the opportunity to get T12 Troops, guys, the most elite troops in this game and also the most expensive. There is a question in a lot of people's mind that when we need to upgrade our mention to Elite 6, especially a lot of players who are already at Elite 5, and what stats we need to be to upgrade it to Elite 6, guys. So in this video I'm going to talk about this, guys, in detail, and I'm going to clear some doubts for all of you people who are looking to upgrade or thinking about this or planning to do this in future. So guys, before we move any further in this video, make sure to give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, guys, then show some love. Subscribe to this channel, guys, and turn on bell icon notification. In future, guys, I'm going to make a huge giveaway announcement, so make sure to stay tuned in for that. For me, I am a guy who has been on Elite 1 for very long time, and some of you know, some of you might not know, there is a purpose for me to stuck on Elite 1. The way I think about this is that, guys, Elite 1 with 500 stats is a lot better than Elite 5 with 500 stats. This especially, guys, this kind of thing is a lot harder. I will accept this, that increasing stats in Elite 1 is a lot harder than increasing stats in Elite 5, because that thing is going to unlock a lot of investment for you that you can easily increase your stats in that way. But for me, guys, I still choose this way because it just suits my style and how I want to play this game, and that's why I'm at Elite 1 for a very long time. And guys, with this I have one thing more in mind that I want to share with you all, that I just recently touched 600 shooter attack, and guys, it was not a lot hard for me. I'm going to make a video about this maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow. So how I did this 600 shooter stats, guys, in just 2 months I am at 600 shooter stats. So I'm going to share with you all of my experience about that. So the video is going to come tomorrow or after tomorrow, guys, so that's going to be interesting. So now we are on road to 700, and my final goal, I think, guys, with this will be Elite 1 with 1000 shooter will look so awesome. I don't know, I might able to do this, I might not, but we are here 600 now. Next step is, guys, 700. So I will try to do this in next month, maybe 1 month or 1.5 months. I'm going to try to get to 700 shooter stats. So let's see where it's going to go from there. But now that's the topic for another video. Now let's talk about the Elite 6 thing. So a lot of people think that there need to be some kind of stats barrier that you need to touch, then after that you can go to Elite 6. And for me, guys, I think it can be true, it can be not true. It's just depend on what style you want to play this game. I have seen people have Elite 6 in my city, guys. Previous couple of people that are already left the city have 600 stats with Elite 6, and that's their choice, guys. Everybody have their own style. My style is, guys, like this. As you already know, all people that are playing, guys, everybody have their different style, and I understand this, guys. I'm going to tell you already that the higher your mention will be, the more opportunity you have to increase your stats, the more investment you can do. So it's overall depend on you what you want, and going to Elite 6 is somewhat an achievement that you need to consider. So it takes a lot of blueprints, take a lot of resources, and then there come the T12 troops, guys. So your goal is to get the highest troops, T12 troops, and you think you can do this, then stats, guys, I think doesn't matter. You can just go for it, guys, and unlock T12 troops. That's the thing, guys, I'm going to suggest you about going to Elite 6. But Elite 6, guys, is a very strong mind. It's also required a lot of investment, a lot of upgrade. I believe 40 plus upgrades you need to have finally going to unlock to T12 troops. And then there comes the training part. In training you need a lot of latent energy, guys, and lot of resource and so on to train T12 troops. So overall this is going to be a very expensive, very long road if you are planning to go to Elite 6. So this was the video, guys. I hope I answer your question. If you enjoyed this, then make sure to give this video a like, guys, and also subscribe to this channel. Show some love, guys. Future big giveaway announcement is coming, guys, so stay tuned for this, and I'll be back with another awesome Mafia City video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace.